Oh my god, guys, I'm sure that you really like House of Dragons and Game of Thrones. And honestly, I love it and I love dragons. Do you know what something is so yummy and so delicious and amazing? It's my newest seed inspired of House of Dragons. Of course, I team red, so I really wanted to prepare something that it looks really like reddish in flames, really inspired on how furious, powerful, and really tasty dragons are. So that's why today I have this new recipe for you. I know that you are going to enjoy it so much, especially while you enjoy your favorite shows. So first of all, ingredients. Today we are going to come with 1/2. I'm going to add one full of those yogurts. You can use Greek yogurt or strawberry yogurt. I am going to add one for me because I really like it, but if you don't like it that much, you can honestly add half and it's going to be okay, you know? Then, of course, we are going to use between 100 to 150 of pomegranate juice. Perfect to give this red effect, right? Yay! Also, we are going to use honey. I'm going to add 1 spoon of honey, but always it depends if you like it or not. This is completely optional, but everything we're going to use is quite sour, so this is really great. Okay, and then of course we are going to use only reddish stuff, okay? Only reddish stuff. We are going to use 150 grams of cherries and we are going to use between 100 to 150 of strawberries and raspberries. So yeah, that is basically everything we're going to use today. Remember that those things have to be frozen, and also we are going to use 4 to 5 pieces of ice to make like more smoothie, more frozen, the effect we like. So yeah, that's all. So here we go to make this amazing smoothie while I enjoy this one already. Okay, it is time to prepare our smoothie today. We are going to take here all our ingredients, okay? We are going to take here the yogurt. This looks nice, okay? Fair enough, like this, I guess. I'm also going to add here the honey. Also, I'm going to add the bananas. As I said, the recipes are only like half for half. I'm going to use just, like this, basically. I think it's fair enough. Also, I'm going to use here our raspberries. Here we want to get like a really red effect. So I need to put all my red things ever here. Right? Everything we have is red. To make this dragon effect is going to be nice. Oh, this one is active, by the way. And also right now, we are going to add here, like as I said, I then found pitahaya, like the dragon fruit. Because yeah, here, sorry, in Spain, yes, we don't have them, sadly. Okay, we are going to put right now the cherries, but we need them without bones or without anything inside, without the fruit. How you say, but here like we just call it like the bone. Maybe it sounds a little bit weird to be like without bones. I mean, this is a dragon smoothie, so okay, I'm just going to pick more or less the amount that I consider that. So yeah, just a little bit more, just make a couple more here. I really hope that the effect is going to look nice. I mean, this is going to be a really complete smoothie, like a really complete smoothie. That's gonna be enough. So right now we are going to put those things here. What I did. Okay, I'm going to take a spoon. Okay, everything here mixed, delicious. I mean, actually, yogurt with raspberries, with blueberries, with everything, with cherries. It has to be so tasty, you know. Without a smoothie, I guess. Okay, with everything here inside. Ooh. But yeah, right now maybe the color is going to look not that huge red we want. So that's why we have our friend the pomegranate used here. I think with this is going to be more than enough. But as we really want to get this frozen effect for the today's smoothie, I'm going to put some ice cubes here. So this is going to look like more even, like more fuzzy, more Okay, so right now, I'm not going to make transition because it's never working, but okay. Magic, woo! Okay, right now we have here our main mix that has the best texture ever. Like, It looks amazing. You see the color. It's not exactly like super reddish, but it's fine because we are going to fix it right now. Echo. And then we are going to add some more pomegranate juice. Not that much because, this is a topping, okay? So it's just a little bit. And this is, of course, completely optional. Okay, something like this. No more. Or maybe yes, okay. And then we are going to weigh on here a couple of strawberries that can make our amazing topping the best. And of course, we are going to use also a little bit of honey because this is going to be super frozen and we want a little bit of texture, so that's why we add a little bit of honey. But as I said, it's optional, you don't have to make this topping if you don't want it. Because sometimes you don't have to follow the recipe exactly because there are some ingredients that maybe some people just don't like. There are some ingredients that some people just don't want to add, It's completely fine. I think that you have to make your own kitchen and your own cooking. So I'm going to put this here over. And here we have, wait. There is something there, stickers. Oh my god, wait. There is something there that is sticking. Oh my god. Okay, yeah, let's add a little bit more because there is some stuff that is in there. It's over there. Okay, let's add a little bit more because in the bottom of the glass, there is something sticked up. So yeah, we are going to just add a little bit more. Also to make it a little bit more sticky, because it's not super sticky. And we want something that can make a really good effect. So yeah, let's try again. Okay, it's fine. You see that continue there is. I will take it later. How that happened. Okay, let's put this in the fridge. And now we are going to take one of our glasses. I'm going to take actually this one. So today I'm going to use this glass. Let's see. Right now, we have to see if everything looks nice. Oh, and tasty, of course. Looks nice and tasty. Wow, and really it's a smoothie. Like, haha, I made really nice portions. So yeah, and right now, we are going to add. Wow. Wow, yeah, you see it's going down. Okay, right now it's basically time to decorate. I think this is going to look super cool. Like, wee. Oh my god, and of course, I have to add like a little umbrella or something. Like, I'll have an umbrella here that is literally like both colors. Like, oh no, I think it's all colors. Well, we are not going to complain. Okay, let's see how is this umbrella. Perfect. Okay, we have our smoothie inspired with this recipe on House of Dragon. And right now, we have to try it. Okay, I only hope for real that this tastes good. Like, honestly, I have to say that I wanted to have it like much more red. So I bet that the cherries made more than a purple effect, than a red effect. So we know the same for the future, guys. Okay. Surprisingly good. It's surprisingly good. Oh my god. Guys, I don't know how to cook, so every time I make a smoothie, it's basically a chance to pass or go into the bathroom, like you never know what's gonna happen. Actually, I love it. Like, you taste perfectly the banana, and I can differentiate perfectly like the blueberry, or the blueberries. No, we don't have blueberry, the raspberry, the cherries. So yeah, I can say it's a 7 out of 10 because honestly I really want it so fucking red, but no, we don't have it so red. So yeah, 7 out of 10 I think is completely fair because honestly it tastes really good. Like, see? And I mean, like, I like the effect of the, like it was like blood or like lava there. So hey, we passed. For someone that doesn't know how to cook, I think it's completely fine. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Remember to subscribe, to comment, to like, and let me know if you like this recipe. If you want me recipes, or if you want me to make a recipe inspired in your detector, show, movie, whatever, yay! See you in the next video, guys. Bye!